Man, just picked up a fucking...
How cool is it? You can just sit back, chill, and watch some YouTube videos on this amazing new dual 24-inch screen that I just installed on this Cayenne. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I recently did a video on install of this new 24-inch dual screen for my 2011 Porsche Cayenne Turbo. And the more and more I get to use this head unit, the more and more I'm starting to love it every day. And I just noticed one thing. So right now I'm playing some YouTube videos that were downloaded. So those are downloaded onto the hard drive, which is over 100 gigabytes. I just noticed that the steering wheel stalk here, you can use this to control to go through the different videos. See? So I thought that's kind of cool, and I didn't know it could do that. It also has this feature called Smart Download. Well, it will download videos that it thinks that you would like. I'm going to show you how the navigation system works on this new head unit, how I'm able to use navigation without using any data. And you can clearly see how this is way better than the stock navigation system, which was really difficult to use and out of date. Whereas I'm using Google Maps, offline Google Maps. And so they're always updated. And just look how much bigger this screen is. So right now I'm sitting in a parking lot. I don't have any Wi-Fi around me. I'm not connected to any Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth. And on my phone, I have no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, and I'm in airplane mode, just so you guys can see that I'm not using any data from my phone in order to use the navigation system. So as you can see, there's no connection. This video was downloaded, and I'm just running the video off the hard drive. So I'm just trying to make a point here that there's absolutely no Wi-Fi. So there's no Wi-Fi, no hotspot, no Bluetooth, it's all off. I'll just show you just how well this navigation works. So basically what you do is first you have to download offline maps, and that's super easy to do. Basically just click your profile and then you go down to offline maps right here. And then it's gonna show you all the maps that are available that you have downloaded. So as you can see, I have this one map of the local area, and these maps usually are good for about a year, after which time they get automatically updated. And it's super easy to download the maps. You basically just pick the size or the layout of what maps you want downloaded. So you could do your whole state or just your city. It's really up to you. And so what happens is if you're not using internet or data, Wi-Fi, Google Maps will use your offline maps automatically. And this is where there's a huge advantage over the stock navigation system, because the stock navigation, the screen is very small, it's outdated, it's not easy to use, it's hard to put in your address, it's not updated that often. Whereas with this, you're just using Google. So it works just like the Google app on your phone. It's got a layout. That little blue dot shows where I am right now. So I'm just working off offline maps, so no data. Go anywhere, you just put in your address. Today I kind of feel like going to Mr. Sub and grabbing a sandwich. All right, and then I can pick, okay, that one right there, and then it'll give me the directions. I can go start, and there you go. It'll give you step-by-step route guidance to wherever you want to go. And the best part is I'm not using any data. I'm not sharing any data from my phone. I have no plan with this head unit. It's completely working off GPS satellites and my offline maps that I just downloaded. I mean, just look at this. The factory head unit cannot compare with this navigation system. And so that's pretty much it. You just basically download offline maps, and it's there when you need it. And you get your route guidance. The only limitation with this, it doesn't give you live traffic updates, but that's fine. It just basically plans out your route. All right, so I feel like going to Mr. Sub. We'll start. And there you go. I wonder if there's audio with the route guidance as well.
Too much power?
I guess we'll have to turn that video off. You can also change some of the settings if you like.
This is what it will sound like when navigating with Google Maps.
Guidance volume, you can put it to softer, normal, or louder. Voice selection, I guess you can change the voice as well. So one of the things I want to point out when you install this head unit, you're going to notice a couple of the features that normally would appear here on your dash with the factory unit will no longer work. So one of them is your map. So before if I went to this screen map, it would show me a little display of the actual map here. That's no longer there because it doesn't read the downloaded offline maps from the head unit. Okay, so the head unit is separate. It doesn't communicate with the system here. So that's one thing. And then the other thing is your navigation menu showing the list of addresses that you've entered into the navigation system. It doesn't appear here. So those two things will not work with this new head unit, right? So I want you guys to be aware. To me, it's not a big deal because that tiny map here was so small. I hardly used it anyways. And the list of navigation places here, well, that's going to be replaced with your Google Maps anyways. So it's not a big deal to me, but I just want to point that out for you guys. You're going to lose a couple of factory menu screens that appear here on this dash. But I think those are really minor because you end up getting this amazing 12-inch display for the navigation, which is much easier to work with anyways. So to me, it's not a big deal. But I just wanted to point that out to you guys. So I don't know how well you can see that on the screen. I've got the sun glaring right at me, but it's given me the directions perfectly. And you can see right there that gives you the directions. Just a quick pit stop for gas. Let's just see if it keeps the last known address on the navigation system. Oh yeah, it does. Perfect. Jeez. This thing pulls so hard. So the route guidance definitely does work. It says 12 kilometers ahead, use the right lane to turn right. So far I'm not getting any audio directions for some reason, but the route guidance on the navigation definitely does work. Wow. I think I like this map view better where everything just faces north and I can kind of zoom in. So I'm right there and okay, so I've arrived at the location. When you're not using route guidance, this is what my map looks like, and I like this much better layout. It looks nicer and it follows you, and you always stay kind of in the middle of the map. But for some reason, when it goes to route guidance, again, route guidance using offline maps, for some reason I'm not in the middle of the screen. I end up coming like down here or like up here, but that's the only, I guess, downside. But overall, I would say the offline maps work well to get you where you need to go. I just noticed this here, unmuted. Okay, so maybe that explains why I wasn't getting the audio route guidance. So the audio for the route guidance does work.
9 kilometers. Use the right lane to turn right onto Rainbow Road South, Range Road 283.
Okay, so that's what it was right there. It was on mute. So yeah, so the route guidance on offline maps works really good. So with this offline route guidance, if you miss your turn, you get a little beep. Like right there, I don't know if you guys heard it, but there's a little beep in the background. The navigation system on this head unit is just way, way better than the factory navigation system. So just by using offline maps, you don't have to use any data. It's much more user-friendly. easier to navigate, and it looks much better than the factory navigation system. So like I said, that was a demonstration of using offline maps for route guidance, and it works really well in my opinion. It works a lot better than the factory navigation system by far. And so I would definitely say the navigation system on this new head unit is definitely an upgrade from the factory navigation system. All right, well, I made it home, guys, and I gotta say the navigation system on this new head unit works awesome. So if you're like me and concerned how the navigation system would work, and if you didn't want to get a data plan for your vehicle or share the data from your phone, offline maps work super easy. And again, you just go into your account profile, go to offline maps, and then you just download the map for your area. So it's super easy, and it worked flawlessly. So even with the route guidance, it was worked really easy. And I gotta say, using this navigation system is definitely a step above the factory navigation system, because that system was old, it was outdated, it was hard to put in address. Here it's super easy. You just type whatever you want, like it's super easy, and then you get the route guidance with offline maps. So it worked really well, and really do like this navigation system much better than the factory. So if you're concerned you're going to be losing your navigation system by going with this head unit, don't have to worry. You can always get a data plan for your vehicle if you do want full data, like the full navigation experience, just like on your phone. If you don't want that extra monthly cost, or if you don't want to share the data from your phone, and I'm like one of those people, I don't want to, use up my data, definitely just download the offline maps, and they're always there for you, and you can easily use it for route guidance to navigate where you need to go. So awesome navigation system. I mean, just look how awesome that looks. And you've got the dual screen. Like, this is just, in my opinion, an awesome head unit. I gotta say, great upgrade by far. So I'm really liking this head unit. So I am loving this head unit. I mean, just look how awesome this is. You got a dual 24-inch screen for the Porsche Cayenne. I just love this head unit. Thank you so much to Drimatt for this amazing head unit. When I got this head unit, one of my concerns was with the navigation and how is it going to work? Do I need to get a data plan? And that's something I didn't want to do. And as you saw, all you have to do is just download the maps, and Google will work off the offline maps. So you'll get the navigation and you'll get the route guidance, which I showed you. So as you saw in the video, the route guidance works really well. You get the full directions, plus you get the audio directions as well, just like your phone. And by running offline maps, you don't need any data plan to use this head unit. So that's a really great feature of using offline maps. So if that was a concern for you, don't worry. Just download the maps. This head unit has about 128 gigabytes, and the maps really don't take a whole lot of space, to be honest. So when I go to offline maps, so the map I have for this local area in Calgary is only 117 megabytes. So it doesn't take up a whole lot of space, right? So you can pretty much download as many maps as you want. Loving this head unit. This head unit is just awesome. Totally awesome. I'll love it. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I hope that answers some of your questions you may have had with the navigation system on this head unit. And like I said, it's an absolute blast to have this amazing 24-inch head unit in this Porsche. It's just amazing how they can make something to integrate with the car that it looks like factory. Like this, to me, it literally looks like it came from the factory like this. It just looks absolutely amazing. So thank you again to Drimatt for this head unit. Check out Drimatt. They have some amazing products for your vehicle. It's not just Porsche. They have products for all types of makes and models. So check it out. Drimatt store. Drimatt.store is their website. So check it out. And so far, I'm absolutely loving this head unit. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around to the end. I'll catch you on the next one.